Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. So now we are going to see a very small program in list where we are going to append and insert and as well as to change the elements in a list. So let's start. So in this example, I have taken an variable name places, which is now referencing an empty list. Okay, there is no elements in the list. We have to build that dynamically. So here in this line, hash to get and append the items in the list. So hash, any line that starts with hash, it is a command line. Okay, and Python interpreter will never ever print that thing. It is completely ignored. Okay, it is used to let the programmers know what is actually happening. So whoever is reading your program, they need to know, right, what is actually happening. So in order to do that, command lines are very useful. So I really recommend you to start writing programs using command lines. So even after some time, if you come back to your working program, you can know what is clearly happening. So it will be very useful. Yeah, fine, let's go. And next variable, it is choice. In that variable, I am asking a user, okay, in order to get data from user, I'm using input function. So enter your favorite place to visit. So they are going to enter something, okay. So, and that is now referenced by this variable choice, okay. For example, let's think the user is entering Delhi. Okay, so now the choice variable is referencing the referencing that Delhi, okay. And now in the second line, places dot append of choice. What we are doing? Yes, we are just appending that Delhi into that empty list. So now places dot append of Delhi. Actually, choice is nothing but it is Delhi, right? So it is appended into this list. And again, I'm using the same variable and now I'm asking the user to enter their family's favorite place to visit. And now they are going to enter. For example, let's keep it as Mumbai. Okay, and in the second line, yes, again I'm appending the same. So places dot append of choice. And again, I'm asking user to enter their favorite color using the same choice variable. And I'm appending the same. So you may ask like why we are using the same variable name. It doesn't matter, okay, right? Variable is every time it is referencing to a value. So we can just use a single variable several times. We can update that value, okay, and Python will just use that updated value. It won't look for the previous values. It will just use that updated very recent one. So that's fine. Okay, so places dot append of choice, and here this 3 value is already appended into list. Okay, and here then I feel like okay, let's just append some 2 values directly into it. So for that I have passed parrot and as well as sparrow. So yes, now it is also there, and we are just going to print that list. It is appended. Okay, and in the next one, yes, we can modify the value inside that list, right? So that we are going to do. So for that we have to use the list name along with the index position in the square bracket as well as the value that we are intended to change, right? So here places of in fourth index position, I have to change that value with the value bike. So what will be the fourth value? First is like Delhi, Mumbai, and favorite color. Yes, for example, take peach, and now parrot and sparrow. So these are the elements inside that list. So the fourth value will be, I mean, in the index position, fourth one will be sparrow, right? Index position, it starts from 0. So you can just see if it is 5 elements, then the index position start from 0 to 4. So fourth element is sparrow. Now the sparrow will be modified to bike. Okay, after modifying that, I'm just printing that list once again. So now what all the values you will find? It is Delhi, Mumbai, and peach, parrot, and bike, because sparrow is modified. Okay, next we are just going to insert certain items into the list. So in order to insert the items, what we have to do? Of course, name of the list dot insert of method, and in that method we have to pass 2 values: the position where we are intended to insert the item as well as the item what we need to insert. Okay, so here places dot insert of, I need to insert Audi in the third index position. Okay, so now I'm doing it, and after that we are just printing the value, and the output will be like Delhi, Mumbai, and peach, as well as in third position Audi will be inserted, then parrot and bike. So this is our final output. Okay, so I hope you really understand this thing, and of course this is the output. So you can check all these things. Hope you really understand this, and So of course you write your own programs and play around with this. Practice, practice, practice to make all these concepts stick in your mind. That's very useful. So yes, so that's it, friends. So join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye bye, take care.